tensing up.
I'm not.
You are. Your back's tense and it's making the rifle jump. You're holding it wrong. Here, let me show you.
I don't need you to show me, Paul.
I guess not.
Don't show me and you'll just run off again or something. It's better I teach myself.
I ain't going nowhere.
Whatever you say, Paul.
Don't be like that.
Sorry.
Wolf's been after the herd. Gotta get out there and scare him off. You wanna come with me? Safer with two.
Okay.
Come on! The dog will soon sniff him out. Come on, easy up now. Come on, boy. Look, son. He sniffed him out. Whoa there. Watch yourself now, son. They might turn on us. Good work, son. Go on now, Rufus. Find the rest of them. Whoa, whoa. Slow it up now. Whoa there. Bottle of the fifth. It looks like all of them. Nice work, Jack.
Don't give up now. Let's keep moving. Easy.
All right, we should head back now. That was some good shooting, son. Hold on there, cowboy. You ain't ready for that yet. One step at a time. We'll go out again soon. Catch something nice for your ma to cook. I ain't gonna tell you again, Jack. You don't leave the farm without checking with me first, you hear?
Yes, sir, I hear you. Oh, can I ask you something?
Of course.
Were you a murderer?
What?
That place where they shouted at a car one time, he yelled that you were a murderer.
Maybe. But I live my life believing there's a difference between killing and murdering.
Not for the person who's dead.
No. And I guess I've been both. But that's how... You're turned into a decent hunter, son. But try to stay out of trouble.
What do you do, sir?
Howdy, John.